So you want to make Bokeh, eh? That's the best I got today, guys. That's the best I got. You want to make Bokeh, eh? Bokeh, Bokeh. That's it. That's all I got. Hey guys, welcome back to TutsByKai. I'm Kai, and today we're back in Blender 2.8 once again. And then we're gonna delete default cube today. I'm sorry. We're getting straight into it. Delete, and we're gonna select our lamp and delete. And with our camera, Alt G, Alt R, RZ 90, left click, G Y, move it back, left click, 0, and now we're done. Look at that. Look how fast that was. Look at that. You know, we're getting it's a speed round today, boys and girls. Anywho, we're making bokeh today. We're getting a bokeh effect with particles, and I love this because one of my favorite things to do in Blender because it just looks so great. When it Shift A and search for a mesh plane and hit S to scale it up, you can't see it right now, but we're gonna hit G, Z to move it on up, right above the plane, right above the top of the thing. Now I'm looking for this backline. This backline I want it to be as big as the camera. So hit S to scale it up some more, then G, Y to move it up out of the way. So I like it. Now we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna make some dropping particles just because it's the easiest thing to do right now. It's quick because I don't want to spend too much time on the particles. We'll go to the particle tab, hit plus, and then we'll just let them fall. Let it fall. I'm gonna be doing a snow tutorial sometime soon too, by the way. So keep your eyes peeled for that. For Christmas time. We're gonna go ahead and just leave that just the way that it is, because I mean we don't really need to focus too much. I'll turn the gravity down a little bit so they move a little less fast. But yeah, we'll do that, and then we'll turn the lifetime to 250. That's good. Now, I think that's all we gotta do for the particles. Just, you make any regular particles, they're going up now. Of course they are. There we go. Alright, cool. So now, what we need to do is we need to make them kind of bokeh-like, which is, I mean, it's kind of easy and kind of not easy at the same time. I'm gonna flip this. So, RX 180, because they're going up and falling back down, which is not what I want. I just want them to fall down. So yeah, that's good, and we'll turn the gravity down some more. Yeah, alright, so cool. Now with our camera selected, I'm going to go ahead and actually, wait, let's do the particles first. I mean, I have to grab some type of thing to use, because these circles, they're just halos, you can't really see them. So hit Shift A and add a circle, mesh circle. And before you click anywhere else, before you do anything, I'm going to hit this add circle and change the fill type from nothing to ingon, because now it has a face actually. So hit G, Y, move back behind the camera. Then RX 90 to rotate it 90 degrees on the X axis. Left click to confirm that. Now we can select our plane once again and go to, downsize that, and then go to render, render as halo. From that to render as object, and then we choose the instance object down here as circle. Now we have the circle. I'm going to check object rotation. So now they rotate because this is rotated. However this is rotated is however those are going to be rotated. So make sure it's rotated the way you want. Now I'm going to turn the scale randomness all the way up and the scale just up a little bit. So hit 0. And you can see these are the particles that we have now. This is still moving too fast. I'm getting nauseous, guys. I'm getting nauseous. I move them like that. Much slower, right? I guess. They're still kind of making me nauseous, but it's fine. Maybe even slower. Man, like, can we even get slower than this? Like, what the heck, man? They're falling really slow already. 0.001. That's slow enough, and I'm still getting nauseous. Guys, I don't know what's going on. Maybe I'm just nauseous. We're going to go ahead and turn the velocity, the normal. We can turn the normal down, and that'll make them go a little bit slower as well. We can turn the normal down a little bit to maybe 0.8. 0.8 looks good. 0.8, and then now for the depth of field part, we're going to go ahead, and this is the important part about it, because we need actually things to be able to see. So with our circle, we're going to go ahead and add a material. This material is just going to be an emission material, just real quick, because this has nothing to do with depth of field. We'll just bump that up to maybe like 5. Now you can see how we still don't have really any depth of field. If I turn the color black as well. In the world. Alright, so our camera is going to go ahead, and we're going to go to the camera tab. We're going to select our camera, and we're going to check depth of field. And we're going to open that up, and we're going to choose, we're going to go down to f-stop and turn it all the way down. Now you can see how we have some nice bokeh, which is really great. The stuff closer and further away will be blurred, while the stuff in the middle or wherever the focus is will be clear. So if I turn these focus distance way down, you can see how I can kind of shift between different parts of the particles. So now the stuff in the way back is clear. Now the stuff in the front is clear right there. Now the stuff in the middle is clear. You see how this goes. So I'm going to choose a nice place, which is around 10, which is the default but actually. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that. And now we have this really nice bokeh effect. You can see how, because we're using the circles, it really looks really bokeh-like. Now, if I were to go ahead and change the color of our circle to like a golden color. Now, this is every New Year's video ever. Guys, I'm telling you, this is how you do it. If you want to make a New Year's video, this is it. I swear to you, this is every single New Year's Eve video I've ever seen in my life. Just particles falling down. It looks like this, and now you're able to make those and put them up on TubeU and get a bunch of views just because you made particles falling down that happen to be gold. So, congratulations, guys. You did it. Now, pushing even further, put some bloom on there. And then we go ahead and just turn the threshold down a little bit. Turn the radius up a little bit. The knee up a little bit. And the intensity up all the way. This is so New Year's Eve, guys. I swear. My goodness gracious. This is the video I'm going to post on New Year's. And I'm going to be like, Happy New Year's Eve, boys and girls. That's what I'm going to do. But anyway, that's pretty much it. You can change the blades as well, so you can have triangles and not circles or whatever, but those aren't bokeh. You can, well, I guess it is technically still. So you can have squares, you have triangles, you can have circles, you can have, octagons, hexagons, quadruplicons. You know what I'm saying, guys. You know what I'm saying. Math fails me right now. You can also change the ratio, make them smaller, thinner, which also looks good. This is very New Year's Eve as well. Very New Year's Eve. You can rotate them so that they rotate a little bit, Turn the blades up just a little bit so we get them triangles. Look at this. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeousness, man. I don't even know what to say to you. I'm done. Now I'm just fooling around now. I'll see you boys and girls in the next tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have not already, be sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. But until then, bye-bye.